What's up, everybody? It's been a while when I was making a video last time. This is because I'm busy with my brand new company. What I told you last time, I just picked up the car and everything, as you know. But I never talk about the business, so I just got a break because I'm going from Poznań to Warsaw Airport, which is about 300 kilometers. I have a drive for about 3 hours, 2.5 to 45 minutes maybe. Weather is not really good today, so get a little bit easier. Stop in the gas station to buy the coffee and take a rest. And I will talk a little bit what I'm doing actually for my business. So technically my company name is Prestige Poznań, and this is kind of transportation company. I'm specializing with the private transfers, intercity transfers and airport transfers, like today, picking up the clients from Warsaw Airport and dropping off them in Poznań, somewhere in the city center. Also providing a meet and greet from the airports, which is actually combined with this one as well. Just I can also do it in Poznań, but also in the whole Poland actually, but also Germany and the Czech Republic as well. So there are two things, and also the private chauffeur services and concierge. So collaborating with some hotels here in Poland also, and providing the high quality services regarding the transportation, which I took a lot of inspiration and experience actually from years of activities in Southeast Asia and also in Europe. As you know, I used to live 13 years overseas, so got a lot of ideas, and this is what I'm realizing right now. So the transfers, intercity transfers, meet and greet from the airport, and the prestigious chauffeur services and concierge. So if you may be interested, also you're coming to Poland, you could call me. Using the opportunity as I'm making this video, I'll show you my business cards. They are gold metal business cards. That's very my idea. They are not literally gold, but they are metal one actually, as you can see. And that's the contact details, just in case if you would like to maybe use one of my services, you can contact me. You never know, little bit of the self-advertisement, but both of the businesses, this one and also YouTube, is my businesses, right? So that's how does it look like. So going to Warsaw Airport, as you can see, weather is really sucks, but still have a 300 kilometers, a little bit maybe more than 300 kilometers, but at least the highway is beautiful, you can drive, and also speed is also okay. This is still expressway. On the highway you can drive 140 legally, so it's cool. And yeah, hopefully the highway will be empty like it is right now. Just the weather is a little bit sad, but yeah, still 2.5 hours, about 300 kilometers. That's the speed and that's the road situation. But actually, how the highways are empty here in Poland, this is so beautiful and so enjoyable to work and drive, to combine of the years of living in Southeast Asia. Just look at this one, it's just so cool and enjoyable. By the way, I just bought this car not so long ago, and I have already almost 3,500 kilometers on the clock, so that's a little bit crazy though. Also just pull over to get myself and for my clients the bottle of the fancy sparkling water. Polish people and European people really loves the sparkling water. So we taking care of the hydration and the small things like even going today to Warsaw. I'm going like 2 hours too early, just in case I don't want to get late to pick it up my clients from the airports, because it's like not professional if something happens. As you see also on the road, the weather is really sucks today. It's cloudy and rainy, so you never know, something may happen on the road. Sometimes there are crashes on the highways, even it's empty during the beautiful sunny days, and then you have to stuck in the traffic jam for 1-2 hours. So better be early than say sorry. We not wanna apologize. We are not cheap airlines who are getting late all the time. We are serious company and professional, providing professional services, right? So yeah, I'm going to Warsaw. Just wanted to make this video to let you know a little bit update what I'm doing. I will probably making a little bit less videos now because I'm gonna focus more into my business. This one rather than just making videos. Everything is changing. It's been nearly 4 years actually when I'm making those YouTube videos. So just wanted to let you know it's still gonna be videos, but just not every day, maybe 2-3 times a week. Maybe if I'm going somewhere into something, showing something different, maybe some different cities or something, definitely I will have a few minutes to make a video, then I will show you. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching, listening, and being with me all the time. Going to Warsaw, have to pick up the clients and drop them off through the Poznan, so this is like a work for 8 hours anyways. 3 hours drive one way, 2 ways second way, 3 hours, and then 2 hours in the in the meantime waiting. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and I will see you maybe not tomorrow, but on the next video as always. See ya. Take care, guys.